of Reggae and Black History Month, the students at Casual Fashion School have created their own designs to showcase, and they're going to show it to us this morning. And we have with us Kelly Abrahams, fashion designer at Casual Fashion Designing Institute, and Shelly and Scarlett Dixon, who is not only a fashion designer, she's a past student of the Institute. Good morning, ladies.
She's still here as a
Yes.
bad student.
And
Hi.
oh, you're still there?
Right. Yes.
Oh, well, is the work. What she doing other things? So she graduated already. Good morning, ladies.
Good morning.
It's morning time. Kelly, I'm going to start with you. Tell me a little bit about Caju.
Okay, Caju is in its 33rd year.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
We started 87.
Yes.
And we have students from all walks of life. And we do quite a few things at Caju. Dressmaking and fashion design in our main event. Bag making, which Shelly will be showing. We do interior decorating. We do fabric painting, lingerie, bath suits, etc. We do quite a lot.
Is it for people who are already seamstresses?
No.
So you have a beginner level
Yes,
and a level?
Right, all different types of level.
All right,
From
so this
beginners up.
from beginners up.
Yeah.
I like it. You specialize in freehand cutting.
Cutting.
So
Strictly freehand cutting.
strictly freehand cutting.
No pattern.
Is a real old school.
Yeah, definitely.
So when you're coming with
Definitely.
Miss Kelly,
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah.
Fabric painting, everything
Yeah.
you do it. All right, so this morning we're going to be looking a little bit. So we'll look at them and we'll talk a little bit as we go.
Yeah.
But let me start with you, Shelly Ann. What made you want to go to fashion and design?
Well, I just wanted a skill, so I decided to do a 12-week course with Cajus, and it has been very good. Immediately after completing the course, I went straight into starting my own business.
What?
Right, it's Brand TVJ Creation, and I set up an Instagram page, and I must say it has been overwhelming.
What?
Yes.
What? So what do you do? The bags?
Right, we do handmade clutches.
This
is one of them.
This is one of them?
Yes. We do
What?
handmade clutches. We do wristlets. We do tote bags and shopping bags, that sort of
Yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Right. I have an Instagram page which you can follow. It's BTJ_creation. You can contact me at 876-850-9594, or you can follow me on follow, like, and share on Facebook. BTJ_creation.
Yes. Is this what you find, Kelly, that a lot of your students who come and do courses, and I like the
Have
fact that you have,
branched out.
yes, and you have different courses for different things.
Yes,
So you
I
don't have to
do.
come there like every day, all day,
No,
couple of
you
months.
don't have
You can
to.
choose a couple of weeks and so on.
Yeah, and once you do like bag making, you always get inspired to come back and do fashion,
Right,
because Shelly
because
has started in
that's
fashion.
correct.
All right, but talk to me about what you're wearing.
Okay, I'm wearing my made, and the neck pieces we are created by Caju, and we do bag and shoe to match. Bag
shoe
down-
too?
Well, I'm doing shoe tops, but I have a gentleman that does the covering.
What you're saying? All right, so we're going to see some of the designs.
That's
I love it. Nice, very innovative. So we have some models with us this morning, and they're going to be showing us a lot of the fashion.
Definitely. All
that's
the
made
things
at
done
Caju.
at Caju.
All things done at Caju. All right, well, here they go. Who's coming first?
I think it's Kalicia.
Calicia. Oh. I like it. Sometimes, there used to be a time when African fabric, the ones that we used to buy used to be very stiff and hard, but this looks like something
Soft.
very soft that
Yeah.
the kids can wear.
Yeah,
It
original
moves well.
African
Yeah.
fabric.
All right. That was
And you,
Calicia.
yes, and you have Kiana.
Hey, Kiana. Calicia, this boob.
Oh,
What? Do it again, baby. Do it one more time.
one more time.
Calicia,
Kiana.
come again as well. Come, my baby. Yes. All right. All right. There you go. So that's Kiana and
Then you
Calicia.
have Anikia.
Anikia.
And, well, all these are students.
All of them
now.
are students now. All right. And all of the things are things that have been made at
Yes,
Casual.
at Caju.
All right.
Anika has done her own design.
This is Anika's design she's wearing?
Yes, she has.
What you saying, Anika?
Pants and top.
The pants as well.
Yes.
Now let me tell you, not everybody can sew pants, you know.
Definitely.
Kelly, sometimes you see the pants, it doesn't fit well.
True.
Up the top here, so it's a trick to it when you're
Yes.
cutting it.
Yeah.
And that is why freehand is so easy.
Yeah, it's a trick to when you're cutting right here in pants. It means me know a little bit about it, you know.
You do.
All right. Who's
Amelia
next?
is next.
Also wearing her own design?
Yes. And the neck piece is done casual, you know.
Yes.
We are all integrated.
Oh, that's nice.
So
I like the neck piece.
Yeah.
One of the things about a neck piece like that, you know, is that it brightens
anything,
you know?
any
Because look
colours
at the way
you
it pops
have.
on the
Yeah.
black.
Pops on it.
Yes. What fabric is this for the dress?
That's a chiffon.
Chiffon.
Yeah.
And she's put something, and she's put like
Crinoline.
crinoline on there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And she's one of our models.
All right. You can see it.
There you go, Amelia.
Thank you, Amelia.
And Jillian is next. Jillian is wearing a wedding dress, an African wedding dress.
Okay.
This one is something, Jillian, that they would graduate in. Yeah. And
Okay,
Jillian is
Jillian.
also in handbags. She did her handbag herself.
Wow, this is nice. And guess what? I can see that it's removable.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Detachable.
Detachable. You
You
see?
can
Kelly,
take
give me
off.
the correct word.
Yeah.
Clive, come fix the train. Now you know the bride can't. No, it's all right, my love. The bride not come. The bride not supposed to touch our train. So, and I like the little, you know, the little hat at the top.
Yeah.
It's a very chic bride. Yeah. You know, it's because bridal things now, you know, it's what you want to wear, what you want to
Yeah.
be. And this is a nice, cool look too for the Caribbean.
Definitely.
All right, so there you have it. And when you're done, you can pull it off and go
Yes,
party.
she can.
Yes, she can.
Definitely.
All right.
Okay, that's
Thank you very
Jillian.
much, Milo.
And Grace Ann is next.
Lovely. Grace Ann is next.
Yeah.
So where do we find more information on Caju, Kelly?
Okay, Kaju is situated at 43A Cairncurran, and that is in Pembroke Hall. Easier found on Kennel Drive,
Okay.
Maze Building.
Okay, on the carpet, my love, on the carpet. We don't want it to slip. All right, there you go. Now from head to toe,
Yeah.
you made the shoes, the bag, the earrings, everything.
Yes, everything. So
Yeah.
she's all decked in her African.
Yeah, I see it. All matched
It's
up.
Grace Ann.
Don't move Grace and them have to show the shoes too. All right. There you go. Shoes, bag, everything. All right. So you say you are on Kennel Drive in Pembroke Hall, Maze Building.
Maze Building, definitely.
Shop number 3.
3.
Yes.
Phone.
What are your? Do you have a website as well?
Yes, the website is www.casualfashion@weebly.com. .weebly.com.
Casualfashion.weebly.com, and that's WEEBLY.
Yes.
.com.
Yeah.
All right. And so they do 6 weeks course, 8 weeks, 12 weeks. You have Saturdays only.
Yes, we have Saturdays.
Monday,
only.
Tuesday, Thursday. You have 10 a.m. to 1 p.m.
Yes.
So the times are convenient for
times.
people who want to.
And 5:30 to 8 for people who work.
Nice. It's such an honor meeting you.
Yes.
Wonderful
Same
to
here.
meet you, Shelly Ann.
Delia, I'd like to show you some of my pieces.
They did, man. While we were talking.
Oh, they did.
They took a
Okay.
shot of the bags,
Bags,
okay.
so that everybody can
Handles.
see. So make sure Kelly Abrahams, fashion designer at KU Fashion, and she's also one of the people in charge. Eh?
Yes, I'm the person
She's
who teaches.
the person who teaches.
Yeah.
And Shelly Ann Scarlett Dixon, fashion designer. We'll grab another shot at the bags that Shelly Ann has brought with her before she goes. Remember to check her out, and the bags on that as well for me, Wally. Yes. So make sure to check her out on Instagram. Give me that again, Shelly
My
Ann.
handle is BTJ_creation.
All right. So look out for her and see what you can get. Thank you, ladies, for being with us this morning. Up next, 10 minutes to your health. I mean, you want to look good, you want to feel good too. What happens after an abnormal pap smear? The answers after the break.